Moms with picky eaters, listen to me. Pediatricians won't tell you this. What if I told you this leftover pap is the reason my kid finally started gaining weight? I turned it into a 1500 calorie smoothie and he begged me for a second cup. It tastes like dessert, zero fight, zero worries, and I'm showing you exactly how to make this right now. I'm going to be showing you two high calorie smoothie you can make with leftover pap that will get your picky eater asking for more. The first one is for mornings when you need that calories very fast, like fast calorie booster. And here we'll be using apple, we'll also be using pap, and everything all together will be giving us about 1500 calories in one cup. Now the second one is for evenings, right? And that one tastes like ice cream, and my child asked for it twice to show you that picky eaters are not left out from the goodness. So let me show you the both. Let's start with recipe 1. Okay, chopsters, watch this apple with me. Most moms just give apples as a snack and picky eaters say no. But do you know that one medium-sized apple has about 100 calories, fiber and vitamin C? That sounds very good, but not good enough for weight gain. The problem with picky eater is this: their stomach fill up even before they get enough calories. So we can't just give them apples. We have to make those 100% calories to work harder, like harder. I learned to pair it with things that don't fill them up, but pack the calories. Things that are smooth, no chewing, no lumps, no fights. And I'm about to show you what I paired it with. And trust me, you already have it in your kitchen. But first, we have to steam this apple. You can decide to scrape out the skin of the apples if you want, or you can decide to wash them thoroughly and steam them as it is. Now, I am using my steamer for this, and while I put the apple in the steamer, we're going to set it aside. Next, I am adding one whole boiled egg. Now, listen, if your child is allergic to the egg white, just use the yolk only. The yolk is where all the good fats and calories are anyways, and that is what helps them to gain weight. The white has protein, but the yolk has the fat, the vitamin D, and the calories that actually stick. So no egg white, no problem, just the yolk works perfectly. Now for my son, I use the whole egg because he is fine with it, and I don't want any mom feeling left out. And next is the secret weapon, leftover pap, but not just any pap. This is Makkie healthy food Tom Brown pap, also known as rich pap. It is made with mixed grains, tiger nut, coconut, potatoes, peanut, and lots more. That is why we call it rich pap, because it is packed. Most moms throw their pap away when there is leftover, but please, as long as your pap is still fresh and didn't spoil, stop throwing it away, use it. It is free calories. The pap makes the smoothie to be very smooth, so there is no chewing fight. We're going to pair it with Makkie healthy food date sweetener, which will help to sweeten the pap, and we are also going to be adding milk. Now for the milk, you have to do any milk of choice: full cream milk, breast milk, or any milk you have. You can also use yogurt if you want to raise the calories as well. Now we are also going to be adding Makkie healthy food chubby butter. You know this chubby butter, you know the work. It helps to increase the calories. Now if you have a picky eater, this is one thing you should always use. Please, it shouldn't be missing in your kitchen. After a while, we have to check on our apple, and you can see that it has steamed properly. You can see that everything is now looking soft, and for you to confirm if they are soft enough, just use a fork and pass it through the apple, and if it pierces it, that means they are well steamed. At this point now, every ingredient we are going to be using for this high calorie smoothie is now ready, and all we need to do is to transfer everything into the blender, blend on high speed, and our homemade high calorie smoothie morning breakfast is ready. For recipe 2, we are using about 10 grapes. Can I tell you something about grapes? They are not just sweet, they are little calorie boosters. 1 cup of grape has sugar, water, and antioxidants. And for picky eaters, they are very soft, no chewing, no gagging, and no fight. Next, we'll also be using bananas. And like you know, bananas are weight gain magic. Why? Because of the carbohydrates. Plus, it also has potassium and it makes your smoothie to be very creamy so your child doesn't feel like they are drinking medicine. And now, this is my secret weapon, the Makkie Healthy Food Picky Eaters Weight Gain PAP. This PAP is for picky eaters and it is sweet. It is made with strawberry, beetroot, and healthy grains. The reason I love this is because it changes flavor and it has this enticing color that makes picky eaters want to gulp everything down. You know that picky eaters get bored of the same taste every time, but with this one, it makes the smoothie to taste like a treat, like something that they would ask for at a party. And this is why I call it picky eaters weight gain pap, because it makes them so happy and want to finish their meal. So today we have grapes, we have bananas, we have Makkie Healthy Food Picky Eaters pap, and we have full cream milk, and that's it. You're going to blend for 30 seconds and you've got another 1200 plus calorie cup. No chewing, no begging, no tears. You see this, it will help your child, especially your picky eater, to gain weight very fast. If you don't have time to make pap at home and you don't want to stress yourself making pap, please check the link in the description box. You can order your Makkie Healthy Food Rich Pap or Picky Eaters Pap and then prepare for your baby. Just click and get yours. This weight gain smoothie is suitable for babies from 6 months and above. Now listen, this is the kind of recipe doctors will not sit down to tell you. But I am telling you because it worked for my child. And any child that drinks this will gain weight, and I'm telling you the truth. Now, Chopstars, look at this. Do you see how creamy this is? Do you see how smooth? Chopstars, stop complaining that your child is picky. It is time we do something about it. That leftover pap in your fridge, use it. Don't throw it away. As long as it is still good, that's free calories right there. And can I tell you the truth? Picky eating is not a disease, it can be fixed. The problem is not your child, the problem is calories. If your child is too slim and they are not gaining weight, if they are rejecting food, then you just found the right page. Because the moment you start adding calories to what they drink, you will start seeing results, even if they refuse solid food. If they can drink this, they will gain weight. That's a promise. So if this video blesses you, do me one favor. Go to the comment section and type yummy recipe so other struggling moms can see this. If you have a picky eater at home, comment below and tell me. Let me know what kind of video you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.